fright. My head was banging left and right as the music kept me weak and sharp. No struggles, no fright, 67 down the line. The desert highway well on side. I'm trucking through the night. But then I saw them come with me. At first not sure what I would see. It soon became clear that it was a horde. Ooh, mighty kangaroos. Ooh, some mighty kangaroos. A horde. Ooh, mighty kangaroos. Ooh, some mighty kangaroos. Yeah, they were ready to fight, but I told them no kangaroos. Peace, Jah, Rastafari, no Babylon, don't go fighting no more. Yeah, come on now, take that spliff. Yeah, go kangaroos. Don't be angry now, yeah. Stop that fighting, no kangaroos. Don't be angry now, yeah. Stop that fighting, no kangaroos. I said don't get angry now, yeah. Okay now, ladies and gentlemen, it seems that the split didn't do well on the kangaroos. They're out of control and more violent than ever, beating the shit out of truck drivers and spitting on them. Oh, those damn kangaroos. But I think I know a way to neutralize them, and it's called the free jazz saxophone. Stop that fighting, no kangaroos. Don't get